Yes, we are still inside the Takoradi Mall, right here inside the Oil City, where the YFM Tadi area code jams are still ongoing. And the performances are great, I must say. I'm so much excited here. It's been fun, it's been entertaining as well. And I have right here beside me. Actually, he just finished performing, and then I had to grab him here. Hello, Demzi.
Hello.
Wagwan.
Everything nice, everything shot.
You know, that's the only part where I can see.
Oh, really? You have to come to us.
I'll come to Efia Kuma.
All right.
So let's get this straight. What's it about Efia Kuma boys and dancehall?
I'm a fake boy, and I'm representing a hood, you know what I mean? And dancehall, it's not only genre I do. I do Afrobeats, reggae, and dancehall. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay, then it's great. But it seems most of you are mostly known for your dancehall songs, right?
Yeah, precisely. This is like, yeah, people know me from the dancehall side, but then I can actually do more and more of the Afrobeat and the reggae as like the same as the dancehall.
Okay, so let's talk about your song Efia Kuma Boy. How did it come about? Why Efia Kuma Boy? You just want the people to know that indeed you are from Efia Kuma.
Okay, so it was a vibe, you know what I mean. It came when I heard the beat for the first time, you know what I mean. So I decided to, you know what I mean, do a Efia Kuma Boy, you know what I mean, represent my hood and show them the love that I have for them.
Okay, before you finish, I heard you perform this magic. Should I say magic or a miracle with a video? Let's know about it. Let's know about it.
It wasn't actually a magic, and it wasn't miracle, but then I would say it's power. Yeah, I would say it's power. You know what I mean? We learn, and more time. We just try to rehearse and know what to do. You feel me? So when you're up on the stage, you actually know what you're doing, and you actually know what you're about to. You feel me? So it's a rehearsals. You know what I mean? If you don't rehearse, you can't do more of all what we do. You see me? Yeah, it's not about bragging, is it? Yeah, man.
But then we have to accept the fact that you are having this bragging right of the best dancehall song of the year. You won that at the recently held Western Music Awards. How was it? How was it like?
It was an amazing feeling. You know what I mean? Actually winning your first award. You know what I mean? It's actually a boast to you. Like you feel like you're going in extra.
Okay, so that was your first award?
Yeah, actually my first award. So you know what I mean? You just boost your energy. Like it makes you want to work more, work hard, and you know what I mean? Attain even more than what you receive. You feel me? So yeah, I felt appreciated. I felt like my works wasn't just a work, but then I was working for something purposely. Before
I let you go, some days ago I saw this flyer making rounds on social media as usual, and it was about you going to perform at the Shatter in Phoenix concert. How was it?
It was massive. It was massive, yeah.
One
shot, yeah, I don't know.
All right, Demzi, your final words to your fans out there.
Okay, so I just want to say a big shout out to all my fans, Demzi Soldiers, Efia Kuma, and Takoradi. You feel me? It's just a big love you people are showing me, and I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So I say one shot and bless up. One shot, is it? I'm Demzi, and I represent it for ideas. Is it the best and the best and the best in Efia Kuma Takoradi? Ghana, watch out at the Demzi. One shot, crime free, one time.